Today I'm going to be making slime, and it's my first time doing a video on YouTube. And what you're going to be needing for this is something to mix with, something to mix in, it's too heavy, some shampoo. It has to be like a jelly type of shampoo, or it could work with any shampoo, I guess. And I forgot what this. Oh yeah, some body wash. Sorry for that. So the first thing what you're gonna do is get your bowl. There is some shampoo, and this is my first time making it. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So you're gonna pour your shampoo. And as you can see, mine's jelly. Mine's a jelly type, and it's sort of like form into slime. And yeah, so that. And you want to mix your shampoo until it turns white. Okay, done with that. Then you want to add in your body wash. I'm always forgetting this name. Yeah, I don't want to add too much. I just want to do like 3 squiggly lines. You can make it by itself out of shampoo. You can make it by itself out of shampoo and salt. But I decided to make it like that. It's a little bit wet and ooh, slimy. As you can see, it does not stick. And that is all. And I'm having a giveaway. It's big. I have 5 buckets of slime and different kinds. There I have clear slime, butter slime, fluffy slime, regular slime, glow-in-the-dark slime, and jelly slime. And I will be giving that away because I have too much, and there's only going to be 5 people that's going to be nominated. So, thanks for watching. Bye.